On July 4th, as floodwaters rushed through Kerrville, Texas, most people ran away from the river. But a group of Kerrville Independent School District bus drivers did the opposite. They jumped into action, driving straight into danger to rescue hundreds of campers stranded along the Guadalupe River.
A lot of these girls had pajamas on. A lot of them didn't have shoes. They had nothing but each other. And so that was a hard view in itself, that this happened while they were sleeping.
I've told them that there's a saying that I'm going to ban from our department. I'm just a bus driver. They were comforters, they were rescuers, and in my mind, they're all heroes.
Indeed. In total, 10 district buses brought about 900 campers to safety. Be sure to join us tonight for Hearts and Heroes flooding in the Texas Hill Country and help those still in need. Stream for free starting tonight at 6:30 on 11 Alive Plus.